If it wasn't for APX that day, my boys or my grandpa would not be here.
Well, there's 7 of us in the house. It's me and my husband, my daughter, my son-in-law, my 2 grandkids, and my father-in-law.
Two young salesmen had showed up at my house and wanted to know would I be interested in the APX system. It was the grace of God that it came.
My boys were upstairs in my bedroom playing that game. It was 12:30. I fixed lunch for my boys. The fire alarm went off.
We heard the alarm going.
I started going room to room to room to see what was going on.
I was called by the APX emergency responder at my wife's work, which was 30 minutes away.
And saw smoke coming out of a bedroom upstairs.
They told me that my house was burning and they had already called 911.
The air conditioner had smoke coming out of it.
It shorted out or something, and that's what caused it.
I was sad and I was crying.
Black, crispy, melted. Some things, I couldn't tell what they were.
I thought it was going to blow up, so we ran outside.
We have a house full of store-bought fire detectors. None of them went off.
At the time, I was worried about my family and worried about my father being 85 years old.
I called my dad to let him know that his house was on fire.
And I told her I already knew I'm coming. APX done called me, and that's how quick it was. Now, when I pulled up at the house, the smoke was rolling out the windows up there. But then when I went upstairs, I was really devastated on counting so many things that cannot be replaced. And it looked like a war zone up there.
Well, I went up there and looked, and I just turned around and come back downstairs because I couldn't handle seeing it and knowing that my grandkids was just in there playing before it caught on fire.
It was real hard seeing that my boys' beds were nothing but black.
And actually what I done was stood and thank God that my family was safe. I thought I was covered with those smoke detectors off the shelf. And in the end, APX system is what worked. The rest of them didn't go off. The APX system is what saved the family, what saved the house.
It alerted our daughter so that she could get everybody out of the house.
And also stood and thank God for APX being there. And if it wasn't for the APX system, I probably would not have had much family left.